Hello there, Alex Sturgeon, Hobbytown, HobbyPlex, and I wanted to give you guys an update as I think we're about a week away, week and a half away, week away. What's today? Doesn't matter. From starting to move everything kind of back up here. The main things that we wanted to do with the remodel has been accomplished, and I want to show you guys what that looks like, as we also just got all of our fixtures starting to show up here. And we're going to start setting that stuff up, I believe, this weekend and next. So let's get turned around and I'll show you what we got done. All right, so part of what we wanted to do is repaint our place up a little bit. 20-year-old paint, you know. So like our south store, the ceiling is now black, and you can see the LEDs. That actually got done back in March, so that was going to be done during this remodel, and we actually got it done way early. You can see the big "Welcome to HobbyPlex" is gone, but that's all new paint. Everything looks really good. These walls have been painted. You can see that the I don't know, what do you call those, spires? Whatever they are, they've been painted. Some of the overspray that you see there is going to be covered by Logier racks anyway, so it didn't really matter. Yeah, entryway. Our doors are now black. See the bathroom doors. So that's all been painted and looking fresh for another 20 years. And now let's check out the floor. This is what I was super stoked about. So no more carpet, no more yucky 20-year-old vacuum cleaner killer carpet that we had. This is just a nice hardwood, like laminate type flooring, and it's bright. So I'm really happy about that. You guys probably can't tell, but we did coat the windows a little bit to try to keep the sunbeams from hitting us in the face, with but still letting some light come in here. So this is what I'm super stoked about. It's a lighter color floor, so it should be brighter in here, but also it's going to be way cleaner. We're going to be able to just sweep the floor with a dust mop instead of trying to vacuum the floor, or in our case, probably never vacuum ever. We kind of just gave up. I feel like our third or fourth vacuum cleaner, we're just like, well, you know what? We don't, I guess we're just not going to do this anymore. Obviously, the marks and everything will all get cleaned up before we get going. But yeah, so the floor is awesome. One thing, it's kind of hard to see now because we're starting to bring the fixtures in, but the store will get pushed back all the way to here. So this is kind of where our minimal back room will be. And I believe this will be Lego and Gundam and gaming all the way to this corner, where before it went to about here. You can see where that pegboard starts. That's where it was before. So we did have a little bit of a back room, but now we're gonna have an even smaller back room because we don't plan on putting a lot of stuff back there anyways, and it's just kind of like wasted floor space. So we are picking up some square footage of actual floor space. And now from this corner you can see all the fixtures are starting to arrive. Yes, we have to put all of these together. Yes, we have to arrange them. Yes, there's a lot of cases, a lot of glass cases. There's a lot of countertops, and it's all getting unloaded now. And this is the next big part of this remodel, is getting all this set up how we want it. The new RC area is going to be amazing. For me, it's what I'm really looking forward to. The previous way that we had it here was kind of on a necessity. When we decided to block off a lot of our parts to try to keep the shrink to a minimum, and just to keep it so that we knew where everything was, we kind of made an L shape. Well, now this RC area back here is going to be a little bit bigger, so I basically use this beam right here as a guide. The glass cases and the old RC area used to come out to about right here. right where this big ladder's at. Well, now that counter is going to be pushed out all the way to about here, and there'll be another row logier rack behind us that'll be 8 foot tall. That'll have most of our parts that people will want to look at, right? Look at these new glass cases. They're kind of tall. I didn't think they were going to be that tall. Oh, I suppose they are lifted up on pallets, aren't they? Maybe they're not that tall. But anyways, this RC counter is going to run the entire stretch all the way down to where I'm standing. The whole thing is going to be cases and counters. So it's going to be really nice. And I don't know, I'm really excited to get this part of it going. So, all right, don't want to make this video too long, but you can see we're really coming along. The store is still plugging away down there, and we've actually done okay with having the store down there. It's been interesting. I feel a little claustrophobic every once in a while, and it kind of bums me out. We don't have as much stuff out for people to buy within these 2 weeks that we've been open, but we're doing our best. We're working through it, but it's all going to be worth it because we're going to be up here soon, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be a whole new store, and I'm really looking forward to it. So that's it for now. Make sure that you guys subscribe, like, tell your friends, all that good stuff. We passed 5,000 subscribers now, so I don't get anything for that. It's just like something I get to say. Yeah, I got 5,000 subscribers. But there you go. You could become a Patreon member, HobbyPlex Show, Patreon. But it's not a huge deal. Appreciate you guys a lot. Can't wait for this to be done so we can show you what we plan on having this new store look like. Thanks.